Between stimulus and response, there is a space whereby lies our opportunity as well as our chance to choose and decide our responses and actions and behaviors and also reactions in one or another, because for everyone there is the chance to make choices in their lives, and whatever choices a particular man or everyone makes ultimately becomes responsible either in their success, prosperity, goodness, welfare in the society in their lives, or results inevitably in their downfall, failure, and so on and so forth. Because the choices we make, we have to take responsibility for that, and only when are we responsible for our choices, for the actions, aims, ambitions we embark upon, can we be successful, prosperous. And if we don't take responsibility, if we avoid accountability to society, then not only can we not become successful, we'll live in basically failure or shortcoming of some kind or another, but we cannot obviously build and sustain collective cohesion, social unity, public harmony either, because everyone refuses social accountability, everyone refuses to live by the obligation of gratitude, justice, equality, kindness, character, and other virtues towards each other, and therefore responsibility does not build, and the choices we make become reckless. So definitely there are a lot of problems we're encountered with, but then between our impulse, aggression, lies definitely the space in which we can choose our action behavior. We can definitely control, moderate, and discipline our extremes, including our desire, temptation, lust, passion. These things must be controlled before we are overrun by them, before we're held hostage by our own internal darkness and inward, basically, uncontrollability, before we are enslaved and subjugated, not only by social expectations, outside dictates, public trends and madnesses and insanities, but also particularly and precisely by our unintegrated shadow, by our passion, desire, drive, aggression, should not be able to control us. But if they control us, if we are controlled by aggression, passion, exaggerated desire, drive, etc., then we'll become their slaves. We'll act in accordance with passion, impulse, and not in reason, and that will destroy all our meaning, reason, and we'll have no opportunity to live, to build relations with each other anyways in one or another. So definitely between stimulus and response, obviously we have the chance to decide what we're going to do, how we're going to respond, and shapes outcomes, because